Why I'm not changing in spite of listening so many spiritual peoples, listening so many books. Why I'm still the same. And I'm doing everything to change myself. I'm very serious even, but still the real transformation is not coming out. I'm not becoming who actually am I. I'm not living up to my full potential. What should I do? I've listened Krishnamurti, listened Osho, I read Buddha, Nisargadatta Maharaj, Raman Maharshi. I read so many, spiritual books, self-help books. I tried manifestation, but still I'm same. When you change actually, you change when something happens to you, when there is tragedy in your life, you change. You will change then. When some stress comes, when something, mishappening happens, then you trying to change yourself. So you are waiting for the outer pressure. You are waiting for the force to happen. So you need some force. And you are even, when you're listening to some gurus or philosopher or reading some book or doing some meditation practice, you are still dependent on something, some force, which is your inner force even. So both are force. You can't change through force. You change when you know yourself actually. When by being totally neutral to all your inner psychological structure, you see the points, weak points, you see your whole nature. Who am I? Only then you change yourself, because then you read yourself. But you want to change your particular one habit, but in changing that habit, you are changing that habit, but there are so many factors involved in that. You have to be holistic about it, complete about it, not partial, fragmented. So you have to see every habit with all your energy. You have to watch that. You have to realize, without any force, without any influence, without any pressure, that this is the thing which I'm gonna change, because this is, not helpful for my liberation. This is binding me. This is not making me free. So whatever is binding me is a poison for me. It's a poison. That's what you have to understand. If you want to know yourself, realize yourself, you can join my spirituality course, comprised of 24 videos, including guided meditation videos. In this video, I talk about thought, fear, suffering, how to change yourself, meditation, what is truth. I'm giving my WhatsApp number in comment section or in description. From there, you can message me on WhatsApp and join this course. Thank you very much.